Hello everyone, happy Dashera. So today I went to Art of Living Center. I've been here many times and last year also I was here, but this time I wanted to actually visit it in afternoon. I went into the dining hall and here is the Annapurna hall where we get a lot of good, food and sattvic food. Today the food was really delicious. Here's my thali and here is the huge Annapurna hall with everybody here eating. And then I wanted to just take a walk outside ashram. So I was just strolling and again collecting back a lot of memories. We do have buses which are run inside the ashram, which will take you from reception to the dining hall and vice versa. This is Vishalakshi Mandap, which is essentially the meditation hall inside. And why is it called Vishalakshi? Because that is Gurudev's mother's name, and he actually dedicated this hall to her. And I've been here many times ever since I started my journey in Bangalore. And this place just gives me a lot of peace and happiness. Vibes are just surreal. So right now, since it's Navratri, so there's huge crowd, and otherwise this room is more or less empty. But today the vibes were different, and children were just playing here. So I just sat there for almost 2 hours, just relaxing. And here I am. Then I went to buy some tea lights. And then I went to Guru Paduka Vanam, which is essentially the place where Shivratri festival happens on a very large scale. And today actually the fountains are not there, otherwise we do have fountains here. And I saw this for the first time that international airport buses are also being run from the ashram to the airport. And this is the reception area where people are just waiting for their turn and so that they can actually leave. This is the reception area, so I just wanted to see inside, because whenever I go to ashram I make sure that I visit most of the places. And it just brings lots of memories from my past, whatever I have done here, whatever emotions I've been here with. I will also make a vlog afterwards when I met Gurudev. And then I was on my way to exit, and it's always said that whatever burden you carry inside, leave it here once you leave the gates of ashram. Bye bye, see you.